Verydarkman finally sends Blord to prison. Now that's the news that we have been seeing on social media for some days now. And many people have been saying that what Blord did, was just pure social media banter, and it was nothing, more than that. And that Verydarkman decided to resort to the government, to take up the case. And why are they saying that? Because the charge sheet shows, is it Inspector General of Police versus Blord. So it's not Verydarkman versus Blord. Now, what do you need to know about criminal charges? Now, you see, when a case or when an issue is criminal, when it's a crime in Nigeria, it is always the government versus the person, the state versus the person, the commissioner of police versus the person, the inspector general of police versus the person, not the individual in whom that crime, the victim of the crime, or in whom that crime was committed against. Is always the government versus. So when a crime is committed and someone makes a report to the court, make a report to the police or a petition to the EFCC, and you come and you are expecting to see Mr. Joseph versus this. No, we are going to see so that you can even say the Federal Republic of Nigeria versus this. Now, why is that? Because every crime committed in Nigeria is committed against the state. And that is why you see the only person that can withdraw a matter is the prosecution. That's either the police withdraws the matter or through the Attorney General of the state. So even the person that the crime was committed against cannot come to the court and withdraw the matter. The likelihood of what the person may do is that, okay, I'm no longer interested in this matter. I'm not going to give evidence in this matter. And if the person refuses to give evidence in the matter, then the case has closed, because there is no way you can send somebody to prison without a witness. So probably if the complainant is like, what, I'm not longer interested in this matter, I'm not coming again, I'm not giving witness in this matter, automatically the matter is going to die, because the police or the EFCC or whatsoever body will not manufacture a witness by themselves. It will have to be the complainant, to testify, and probably the investigating officer, the IPO, to testify, against that case, that, we investigated this matter and these were our findings. So when you see a criminal matter, for instance, even this matter with Blessing CEO, when it gets to court, it's not going to be Verydarkman versus Blessing CEO. It will still be the Inspector General of Police or the Commissioner of Police, depending on the court, the jurisdiction, the crime. That's what you're going to do, or the state, or the Federal Republic of Nigeria versus. That's what you're going to see. You understand? You're not going to see Verydarkman versus Blessing CEO. If you gain value from the video, share with me in the comment section. I would like to hear from you. Verydarkman versus Blessing CEO. Now, we all know that a few days ago or a few weeks ago, Blessing CEO came online and she made certain publications saying that she had stage 4 cancer, or she had cancer. And she also displayed account numbers, for the public to donate, to her, since she was going through that particular predicament. Verydarkman, donated money into it. I think 150 naira, according to what I've been seeing on social media. And other people also donated their money also, to Blessing CEO account. Then suddenly now there are rumors, going online saying that there is a possibility that she did not have cancer, and probably the medical reports that she released show that, or the medical report that they can see shows that this is not an issue of cancer. Now, Verydarkman also came online a few days ago, and he made publish of the fact that he has filed a petition against Blessing CEO. And the people are asking, does he have the right to file that petition? Yes, he has the right to file that petition. One is because he definitely, also sends money into that account, and that is called obtaining money by false pretense, deceiving the public. It's a fraud. It's fraud. It's fraud. And at this point in time, this is what we can make out of it until she's taken to court and she's tried. And if she's found guilty, then definitely she's going to serve her terms in prison. Now, this just to let us know that whenever you want to come online and make certain publication, ensure it is true. The era where people just come online and you ask for donations to deceive the public, maybe you come online and say you have kidney failure, you have this, and those kinds of things don't exist. and you do that, you know, to deceive the public, it's not going to work again in this era. This kind of generation, they're going to scrutinize you. In fact, some people will send money to that account as a trap for you. So if it's an offense to publicly deceive, you know, to deceive the public and to get money from them, obtain money, you know, by force. So Verydarkman definitely has a case, and you know, if the investigations are carried out and it is found, and you know, the police sees that indeed Blessing CEO has deceived the public, she can be prosecuted, you know, for that particular offense. If you gain value from the video, share with me at the comment section. I'd like to hear from you. Don't forget to give me a follow. Like this video so you can keep getting more legal content like this. Thank you.